From Interpress Service, lawyers for the Obama administration told a federal judge this past week that the U.S. government has the authority to kill U.S. citizens whom the executive branch has unilaterally determined pose a threat to national security. That claim came in federal court in Washington, D.C. in response to a lawsuit brought by the American Civil Liberties Union and the Center for Constitutional Rights. The two human rights legal advocacy organizations contend that the administration's so-called targeted killing authority violates the Constitution and international law. CCR attorney Pardis Kebrier told IPS, quote, "The full contours of the government's position would allow the executive unreviewable authority to target and kill any U.S. citizens it deems a suspect of terrorism anywhere. As the government would have it, while non-citizens detained at Guantanamo Bay can challenge the deprivation of their liberty by the United States, a United States citizen could not challenge an impending deprivation of his life by his own government." The ACLU and the CCR were retained by Nasser Al-Aulaqi to bring a lawsuit in connection with the government's decision to authorize the targeted killing of his son, Anwar Al-Awlaki. The lawsuit asks the court to rule that, quote, "Outside the context of armed conflict, the government can carry out the targeted killing of an American citizen only as a last resort to address an imminent threat to life or physical safety." Anwar Al-Awlaki was born in Las Cruces, New Mexico, and has dual U.S. and Yemeni citizenship. He's a firebrand extremist imam who has been accused by government officials and in the press of using his sermons and the internet to recruit jihadists. He's thought to be hiding in Yemen. The groups noted in their lawsuit that, quote, "targeting individuals for killing who are suspected of crimes but have not been convicted without oversight, due process, or disclosed standards for being placed on the kill list also poses the risk that the government will erroneously target the wrong people."